This is the wrap-up for the live market open, the morning show for February 9th. It's Tuesday. It's a risk-off mood in markets, doom and gloom everywhere. The most stark example is, of course, the Japanese yen. Total collapse of dollar yen, total strength of the yen across the board, not only against the US dollar. Broke yesterday under the line in the sand for the Bank of Japan. What was seen as the line in the sand of 116 went all the way to 114.20, currently 100 pips above the lows. What pushed the worries up and the yen up and the rest down? Okay, so rumors about Chesapeake, an oil company, that they're seeking bankruptcy protection. These rumors were denied quite strongly, quite nicely, but it still had an impact. Worries about Deutsche Bank and also Commerzbank in Germany both fell. Both stocks fell quite a lot. That was yesterday. We had this Wall Street falling yesterday. We had the Nikkei falling tonight, and this included Japanese 10-year bond yields going negative for the first time for a major economy to have the 10-year yield go negative. In Germany, it reaches only 8 years, but in other countries, we see negative yields more often than not. Anyway, that also sort of weighs on the sentiment. This comes despite the fact that China is closed all week because of the New Year holiday. And oil usually goes hand in hand, crashing oil with doom and gloom. It's only slightly weaker. It's hugging the $30 level. I would say it's also, but it's still important to note that oil at $30 a barrel is low in any case, okay? Let's look at more charts in the euro dollar in the high end of the range, 111.94. I still see 112.15 is worthy, but 112.40 is also worth mentioning after these three spikes. 110.70 is support. Pound dollar found support at 143.65. Currently battling resistance over there, 144.50, 146.50 is further resistance. Support at 142.30. Dollar yen, at least it found an old support line at 114.20. 116, I think, is the line that the Bank of Japan would be aspiring to see dollar yen cross over. Dollar CAD, Canadian dollar, weaker, but not crazy. 139.10 is fought over. This was a nice line of support. 137.87 worked as support. 140 is resistance. Aussie dollar battling the 70-40 line. 70 is strong support. 71.40, 72.20. Kiwi dollar found very nice support at 65.80. Resistance at 67. Risk off means stronger euro, much stronger yen. Weak commodity currencies, Aussie, Kiwi, CAD, and a weaker pound. Okay. Let's talk about what moved markets. Other things that were negative, especially in the Eurozone. Centix confidence fell more than expected. German industrial output fell. It was expected to rise. Also, some bad news. Today we have UK trade balance at 9:30. The main event for today is not that important. It's the JOLTs release in the United States. Can give us another picture of the labor market. And we have also Australian consumer sentiment. The big event this week is Janet Yellen. Will she come to the rescue of markets? Promising, not directly, some kind of a rate, no rate hikes this year, at least not in March, not in June? Or will she say everything's okay because of the recent jobs report, and that could make the atmosphere in markets a bit worse, okay?